who can actually understand their business aspects, who can work with them to help solve the problems, who can give them advice, is this best solved through an operational approach, or do you need a technology implementation? That is the kind of demand which is coming from the industry. Now, when you move towards the technology side, a similar structure is evolving when you start looking at agile. Same people have to carry out multiple roles. It's becoming a little bit more involved. We got too segregated, too siloed some years back. Now the entire merger or remerger with a different focus is starting all over again. And probably that is what starts defining the kind of change which is happening in the business analysis environment. We are at the forefront of it. We are actually looking at these changes. We are in one of the better, I would say, better state and better positioning we have to actually deliver on these multifunctional abilities. So, is there a standard definition to a business analyst role? I don't think so. It's evolving, and it will continue to evolve till the time this role stays around. I'll take one aspect of it. And this aspect, believe it or not, is independent of the kind of traditional business analyst roles or the new business analysis environments. It's independent of technology. We can talk about it. We can talk about it from operational perspective. We can talk about it from business transformation perspective. We can talk about it from technology implementation perspective. And that is around, a lot of work which I do around is around processes. So that is what I would like to take a little bit time around that. Look at those processes from various angles. Look at it from a perspective of what they traditionally deliver and what we can actually adapt them to deliver. The reason I'm bringing some of these also, as I talk through that, I want to elicit the opinions of the people here. What is a process? We talk about processes a lot. We talk about processes, and this is something which in business analysis we use fairly regularly. We talk about processes from a perspective of a sequence of doing things. We talk about processes of where a decision has to be taken, who's got to do it. So the roles the various people play, what activities they carry out. That is typically what we capture as part of a standard process. Whether that process is utilized in operations, whether that process is utilized in terms of technology, immaterial. Today we use processes. There's also a process around designing books. There's a process around teaching also. So all these aspects are covered.